How on earth is it possible for the Apostle Paul to have this kind of perspective? Because he knows that Christ has already overcome the world. Jesus tells his disciples, it's past tense. I have overcome the world. The cross chronologically is yet in the future, but it's all inevitable. It's all the will of God. It's all the plan of God. The crucifixion, the burial, the resurrection, the ascension, and the soon and coming King and his return. It's all inevitable. Paul knows Christ has already won. He knows that whatever this world goes through, or whatever the world does to him, none of it compares to the power of Jesus Christ or the future of God's glory. Nothing in this world can deliver on a promise like that, but the King of glory can. He has already judged the ruler of this world, and he has already won, and we are just on our way to the finish line. Creation is pregnant with the birth of the kingdom of God. The joy is real. The joy is anticipation for you and me. But the day is coming, Jesus says, when it will be complete, when it will be full. So we cannot let this world trip us up. We are running a race. We cannot let it trip us and we fall and we stay down. It's not worth it. We can't let this world trip us. We cannot let this world frighten us out of faithfulness. We cannot let this world tempt us with candy-coated garbage. The way the writer of Hebrews puts it, enjoy the pleasures of sin for a season. What about the pleasures of the kingdom of God for all of eternity? That's what we have been given in Jesus Christ. That's what it means for Jesus to overcome the world, and that in him we will have that and live in that.